Do you need to turn a doc into a video? With Pictory's doc-to-video feature, you can automatically convert documents into professional videos using AI. Here's how it works. Start by opening the doc-to-video workflow and uploading your PDF document. Once uploaded, Pictory automatically analyzes the content, extracting the text, document structure, key sections, and important talking points. After processing is complete, Pictory automatically generates a video project for you. Your scenes are created from the document content, and extracted visuals are placed into the video to help tell the story. From there, you can open the project in the editor, customizing scenes, making adjustments, and finalizing your video. This is a great way to transform training manuals, reports, onboarding materials, educational content, and other documents into engaging videos in just minutes. And that's how to turn a doc into a video with Pictory AI.